the difference between my phone and the camera, but my camera's charging because I'm gonna film a video. So while it's charging within 50%, I'm gonna talk to you guys. I haven't vlogged for like 2 weeks, so I figured I would talk to you guys and tell you a little recap of how I spent my Valentine's Day, which was sick as always. Not as always, but I never celebrate Valentine's Day, so that's why I say as always. And what's been going on for the past 2 weeks. Also, I'm sorry for my face. I know it looks really ugly, but my acne is it's coming. I can feel it, and I have like so much going on here and like here. But you guys, it's really nasty. I don't even know how I'm vlogging right now. I'm gonna do some filming, and I figured I would show you guys. I'm also have like a few first impressions. I don't know when you guys will see this vlog. I mean, this video that I'm gonna film right now, probably it'll be up in a few weeks. I've been uploading 2 to 3 times weekly, so I wanted to vlog this weekend, but I haven't had the best weekend either. It's been tough and kind of good at the same time, but I've been going through some stuff, and I can't talk about it here because there's some people from my family that they see my vlogs, and even though they probably don't understand me because I speak Spanish, they don't like it because it's private, so I understand. I'm gonna show you guys a few of the things that I'm gonna be filming today, and I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek. So these, by the way, this is from Real Techniques. I was sent, this is so cute. It's so convenient to hold like the brushes, but they sent me like a few of the brushes, their brushes, and I was like, yes please. And so these are like 1, 2, 3 of them, and then I have another one around there somewhere, which that's where I mainly keep my brushes. Why are there sunglasses there, you say? Because that's actually holds my sunglasses and also my brushes, and so the only way I can keep my brushes up is if like the bottom part, it's like all crumbled up with something that can hold them. So I figured why not leave the sunglasses there. I was actually gonna take them out and put them somewhere else, but the brushes kept falling down. So, and then these are some of the things that I'm gonna be filming today. This is the first impressions I'm actually trying. I'm going for a metallic look today, so, and also like a first impressions. And I have like, you know, some stuff. I'm running out of this one, although I bought the second one, which I still haven't used. But I don't know, don't you feel like whenever there's like first impressions of products, you don't want to try them because you don't want them to go to waste? That's me right now, and I just want to get the life out of this concealer. Primer, you know, palette. This is my that's my sister. I use this mainly for the mirror. I am gonna film now. Probably my camera. Let's see how many charge it has. Come along. Okay, it has 60. I wanted to film 2 videos, but I don't know if it's gonna be possible for me to film 2 videos with 68% because I take long doing my makeup tutorials, but I'm gonna be frequent, you know? Frequent. I'm gonna try and just film steps, just like not step, but like try and film, not waste a whole battery in this makeup tutorial to see if I can save up some for a second video that I can film, because I like to do that. I like to do my makeup, and with the same makeup I go ahead and do a second video because why not? I have my makeup done already. So yeah, I've been meaning to make a lookbook. I really want to make a lookbook, so I talked to my cousin. She's gonna help me out, and we're gonna take like pictures and stuff, and we're also gonna make it like a video lookbook. So yeah, I'm gonna try going to places. I don't know where I'm gonna go because I know people like go somewhere and they make it different type of places with different outfits. I kind of want to make it like different outfits and makeup at the same time, so you can get like an inside of the makeup that I created, and if you guys like it, I'll make a tutorial in depth in every single one of them. I was thinking of that, so let me know in the comments. In the meantime, I'm gonna go do my makeup. I did like a nice emerald green, olive green color in my eyes. I was kind of feeling the green, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do it. So I did it, and Hi guys, this is my sister. So this is the makeup look I filmed. There we go. Now let's go to my kitchen. Okay, I don't know what I should cook. I did wanted to say that, oh, I'm gonna wash my brushes. So I'm gonna put that. I'm not gonna wash all of them, just the ones that I used today on this makeup look. And then tomorrow I'll wash the other ones. But these are like the important ones because these are like my highlights. I'm gonna do that. And yeah, then we'll sit and we'll talk. I'm sorry for the stupid dogs. They're barking. These just gotta take a break. They're always barking and shit. Okay, so I don't know where to place you guys. Okay, I'm gonna look for the other tripod. I'll be right back. My battery is dying on my camera. I have 7%. So I'm gonna charge it for a while and then I'll get back to you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna think and see what I can cook for food because I'm really hungry and I really want to eat. And I literally ate like 2 hours ago and I'm already starving. Like literally starving, you guys. So I'm gonna get into that and then I'll get back to you guys. I think my head was like this all the time. Bye. Alright, hi guys. It's been a while. As you guys can see, it's dark, so there's like light, yellow light, which I don't like. But I'm here with my sister. Wow, you look good. Oh my god. No, we need to zoom out this face because you're gonna see all my pores. But we're waiting because my beautiful mother-in-law is gonna bring us some beautiful, ow, I have something on my eye, food. I have to love her, you guys. She's like amazing. She's gonna go from her house to bring us food. She's so nice because we're dying here. We're dying of hunger. And she was like, you know what, I'm gonna do the favor and I'm gonna get you both some food. In the meantime, I'm currently a little behind the scene, which actually by the time you guys probably see this, it'll probably will be up. I'm currently editing a PicMonkey. I'm doing a, wait, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm trying to do. I'm watching Adeline Morin. She's doing an unboxing. Okay, I'm trying to do this, like do a new one because I recently updated my profile picture and on my YouTube I want to do a new background, like channel art. That's how it's called. I was gonna do some bullet journaling, but I don't think I'm gonna do it not until like much later during the night. I had to clean some of my makeup, so I think I'm gonna do that after I'm done eating. I have to do that. I kind of want to like clean like palette because they're like full of eyeshadow all around it, and like the ones that have mirror, they have shadows of eyeshadow, so I want to like sweep it. Oh, my highlight is still on fleek, but I wanted to update you guys and let you know what was going on. I'm watching Brittany.
What I'll say about this is, I think,
hey girl, I love this video. I love when like YouTubers give like motivational type of videos like that, you know. Okay, I think this lighting kind of helps a little bit, but I'm gonna put my hair forward because I feel like I don't have hair if I leave it like okay, so here are the majority of my palettes. It's like no joke, and oh my god, I'm gonna clean them like these. I don't know if you guys can see very well what I did here. You see that it's like a little bit more cleaner because I swept off the dust from this and the mirror. So I'm gonna do that now, and I'm gonna like put you guys somewhere around here so you guys can see me. Vamos a empezar. Alright you guys, I finished. I'm gonna close today's vlog for tonight, for now. If I want to keep vlogging tomorrow, then of course I will keep vlogging. better lighting. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I will see you guys on my next one. And I did finish doing all the eyeshadow palettes, and I'm really exhausted, so I'm gonna take my makeup off, shower, and go straight to bed. Bye. I'm so tired, you guys. I'm still sick. I'm watching 101 Dalmatians. Throwback. I don't know why I wanted to see that movie, Dogs. I wanted to come back here and say the fact that my eyeshadow did not want to come off. Oh my god. I'm impressed. Like, it looks like if I had makeup on still and it didn't want to come out. I guess it has really intense pigmentation, and I think it was a Jaclyn Hill palette because in my outer corners I had Jaclyn Hill palette, but I also think that with all the concealer and stuff, it made it stay. So yeah, I'm gonna see if tomorrow it decides to leave or I wake up without nothing. It is currently 11:02 and I'm gonna go to sleep because I'm really tired. So good night.